Yeah man, why pray? You know say Oshane, I represent the 876. Yo, hear me as right now. It's that group here. That group here one of the yo, hear me as believe me. That page a matter of fact. We don't need to have a group right you know. Because it's that page in a normal, I tell you. It'll go a far way. Brother, them can't stop on again, you see me? Yeah man, straight loyalty we say. I mean it's a loyalty performance, you know. I'm Mr. 876 on a general. You see the rich man with the right now, I'm just coming for work, tired and everything, so I'm just come a poolside and go on easy back and chillax, so you don't know. I can go and enjoy yourself, don't. So you go man. Ali, you know they living there, you know? No! Big up yourself, you're a general still. Out. Ken Star, where you there? See your machine, you know.
Exclusive.